Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super nice chair for I think it's an starting point a gaming chair. I think it's starting point racing style gaming chair. This one supports up to 275 pounds, and what I believe is could be two things. So if you're looking for something that is compact, looks like a racing style gaming chair, and is comfortable enough to withstand your weight for long periods of time, I would advise to still like stand up every 60 minutes or something like that. Like you should do that with every chair. Doesn't matter if you're kind of like working from home or just gaming for long periods of time. You should stand like every 30 or 60 minutes. But besides that, I also think that this could be a really nice chair, like gaming chair or starting point gaming chair for kids. If you have kids and they're also kind of like wanting to get into the gaming world and just like streaming or something like that, this could be a really good option. So let's talk about the assembly process. The assembly process of this chair was kind of like 15 minutes, 20 minutes top with power tools, no more than that. Super easy. You can see that it's a racing style gaming chair. It's made of pure leather, so it's actually very resistant. The armrests are padded, as you can see, and the best thing about the armrest is, as I was saying, this is a space saver chair, so you can actually put it like underneath your desk, just like that, and save some space. So that's actually pretty good. I really like the stitches and the colors. They have multiple colors for sure, but the black and red I think is the best one. The centerpiece of the cushion it's actually very firm. It's not like super cushion, it's actually firm. That's kind of like intended to be for withstanding the weight, and again 275 pounds limit. But the edges are actually very kind of like cushion, and I really like that. The position of this chair, like the sitting position, which by the way, like every other chair, you can just modify the height, just like that. But the position of this chair is kind of like I want to say like a uptight position. It's kind of like a 90 degrees position. As you can see, it has no dedicated lumbar support, but I have to say that feels comfortable enough to withstand some really long gaming sessions or working from home or things like that. It swivels perfectly. And the other thing it has is right here, it has so now it's lock, lock, now it's unlock. So you can see it has a rocking feature, which I think is pretty cool. It's not super tall, it's not a super tall chair. I'm 5'10" and I weighed 190 pounds, and you can see that my head is kind of like resting in the headrest, but not super resting in the headrest. I think this again could be a really nice chair for productivity and working from home and gaming for sure. Just remember, probably stand up like every 30 or 60 minutes or something like that. I wouldn't say like 60 minutes, but since the armrests are padded and you can put it in a storage position and looks really nice in the racing style and it's comfy enough, I also think that could be a really nice one for your kids. And remember, the assembly process was super simple. So I like it. I would recommend it for sure. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.